Hello children, my name's Jess. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Can you remember what a phoneme is? Yes, that's right, a sound. Can you remember what a grapheme is? Yes, that's right, a sound written down. Can you remember what a diagraph is? Yes, two letters that make one sound. Great remembering. Let's read some phonemes you know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first flashcard says E and this diagraph says oo. Now it's your turn. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. E, oo, sh, or v, ng, qu, ch, b, d, j, a, I, O, P. I'm going to mix the cards up. Let's read the graphemes on the cards. I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. B, J, A, I, O, P, sh, f or v, E, oo, ng, qu, d. Well done, super sounds. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the diagraph? Yes, the diagraph is E. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. S, E, see. We use our eyes to see. Let's look at another word. Can you spot the diagraph? Yes, the diagraph is A. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. A, main. The yummy lunches are the main thing I like about school. Can you spot the diagraph? Yes, the diagraph is Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. B, k, book. The book I'm reading now is my favourite. Let's look at another word. Can you spot the diagraph? Yes, the diagraph is Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. T, k, took. I took a packed lunch on the journey. Great reading. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on your own without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. Book, main, took, see. Well done. Today we're going to learn to read a new sound, ah. Ah. Copy me. Ah. Ah. Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme ah. Copy me. K, ah. K, ah. You have a go. K, ah, car. The red car was really fast. Copy me. B, ah, k. B, ah, k. You have a go. B, ah, k. Bark. The dog had a very loud bark. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. K, ah, t. K, ah, t. You have a go. K, ah, t. Cart. The horse pulled the cart. The sound ah is written like this. Two letters making one sound is called a digraph. This digraph makes the sound ah. Let's read the sound ah. Can you say the sound ah each time I show you the digraph? That was excellent. Now let's read some words with our new sound ah. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Now let's read the word together. K, ah, car. Did you get it right? Read each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. B, ah, k, bark. Did you get that right? Let's have a look at another word. Let's read it together. Ah, d, hard. The cricket ball was really hard. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. P, ark, park. My dad took me to the park. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Let's read the word together. B, ah, bar. Did you get it right? Let's try another word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Now let's read the word together. K, ah, d, card. I bought my friend a card for her birthday. Can you read these words now without any help? Let's check. Read them with me. Car, bark, hard, park, bar, card. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. Park, bark, bar, card, hard, car. Incredible. What amazing readers we are today, children. Let's learn to read a tricky word. We're going to learn to read the word my. Well, the first bit is easy. But the second bit is tricky. The grapheme says I. When I read it, I say I. Now read it with me. I, my. Fantastic. Now read it to yourself. What's the word? Sorry, what was that? Yes, the word is I, my. Now let's practice reading this tricky word that we have met before. Can you remember which bit is tricky? Yes, the tricky bit says E. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. E, he. Fantastic, children, well done. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Have a look at this. Can you see a word with our focus sound R? Yes, park has the digraph R. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes, took, book and the all have digraphs. The is a tricky word that we already know. Can you see the tricky word we have learnt today? Yes, my is our tricky word. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Well done, excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. I took my book to the park and sat on a rug. I wonder what your favourite book is. Let's have a look at another sentence. Can you see a word with our focus sound R? Yes, card has the digraph R. I like making cards for people. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes, shells has 2 digraphs in it. Can you see the tricky word we have learnt today? Yes, my is our tricky word. Now I want you to read the word aloud as I point to the words. Excellent reading, children. Let's read it together. My card has shells on it. Fantastic. When was the last time you gave someone a card? Wow. Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with our focus sound R. Let's spell car. Segment the words with me. Car, k, R. Let's count how many sounds there are. K, R. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write car. Ah. Now you have a go. Car. Say the sounds. K. Write them down. Don't forget the digraph R. Okay, let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Well done. Now let's spell park. Segment the sounds with me. Park. P, R, K. Let's count how many sounds there are. P, R, K. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write park. P, R, K. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the digraph R. Okay, should we check our spelling? Did you get it right? Let's learn to spell a tricky word. We can read the tricky word my, so now let's spell it. Segment the sounds with me. My, I. Let's count how many sounds there are. I. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write my. Well, the first bit is easy. But the second bit is tricky. The letter Y says I. I. My. Now you have a go. My. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The letter Y makes I. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Well done. Fantastic work today, children. You've all worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. I'll see you tomorrow for another lesson with letters and sounds.